Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15, and now I'm going to show you how to recover your data using iTunes local backup. To do it, first you need to open the iTunes on your Windows device. Then, of course, you need to connect your smartphone via USB-C cable to the PC, but you need to use power delivery cable, not the QC. So, cool. So open the. So you will see that in the iTunes will open the screen with welcome to your new iPhone, and now you can restore from backup or set up as new iPhone. So of course, if you will click restore like new iPhone, you can choose the copy you want to recover and just click continue and cool. But now I will set it up like a new iPhone, and I will show you what you can do if you want to download the backup, but you have connected your smartphone to your PC earlier. To do it, you need to open, of course, our iTunes and click on the smartphone icon, and here wait for backup or just click cancel and click restore backup. From this computer, restore backup, choose the backup you want to restore and click restore. Wait a while, you will see restore in progress. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.